Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this exponential equation 3 power 4x minus 5 plus 3 power 4x plus 1 plus 9 power 2x minus 1 equals to 757. In other words, we are going to find the value of x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let me look at this part, 9 powered 2x minus 1, and here I have copied it down and we are going to manipulate this one. Now let's focus on its base, which is 9, and 9 could be written as 3 power 2. So this whole thing could be written as 3 power 2 and then whole power 2x minus 1. And now let's recall this power rule of exponents we are going to apply on this one. So this way we are going to multiply out these two nested exponents. So that is going to give us 3 power 4x minus 2. Therefore, I am going to replace this term by this simplified one. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this term by this one. And now let's recall these two rules, product rule and quotient rule. We are going to apply these rules to manipulate this equation. Let's focus on this very first term. This we are going to use this quotient rule. So this could be written as 3 power 4x divided by 3 power 5 plus next one we are going to apply this product rule on this part. So this could be written as 3 power 4x times 3 power 1 plus we are going to apply this quotient rule on this next term. So this could be written as 3 power 4x divided by 3 power 2 equals to 757 on the right hand side. Now let's go ahead and remove these fractions by multiplying both sides by 3 power 5 on this left hand side, and likewise I'm going to multiply this 757 by 3 power 5 as well. Now let's go ahead and distribute this one all the way. So that is going to give us 3 power 4x times 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 5 plus likewise 3 power 4x times 3 power 1 times 3 power 5 and plus finally 3 power 4x divided by 3 power 2 times 3 power 5 equals to, I'm going to leave this one as it is, 3 power 5, and then I'm going to write down 757 on the right hand side. And now we can see that this 3 power 5 and 3 power 5, they are gone. So we ended up with 3 power 4x plus here we are going to apply this product rule of exponents. So that is going to give us 3 power 4x times 3 power 6 and plus 3 power 4x times we are going to apply the quotient rule over here. So that is going to give us 3 power 3 equals to 3 power 5 times 757 on the right hand side. And now we can see that this 3 power 4x is common across the board. So therefore I can factor out 3 power 4x on the left hand side, and inside this parentheses we are left with 1 plus 3 power 6 plus 3 power 3 equals to 3 power 5 times 757 7. And now we know that 3 power 6 equal to 729. Likewise, 3 power 3 is 27. So therefore, we can write this one as 3 power 4x times 1 plus 729 plus 27 equals to 3 power 5 times 757. And now in this next step, if we add all these three terms, they add up to 757. Now let's go ahead and divide both sides by 757. They are gone with this one. This is gone with this one. So therefore we are ended up 3 power 4 x equal to 3 power 5 on the right hand side. And now we can see our bases on both sides are same. So that means we can equate our exponents as well. So therefore we got 4x equals to 5. Let's go ahead and divide both sides by 4 to isolate x. So that means our x value turns out to be simply 5 over 4. And here's our solution, 5 over 4. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.